Over the last decade, I've been mainly using an iPhone. But today, I've had the chance to dive into something a bit different. The DOOGEE V40 Pro, an Android-based rugged phone that has caught my attention. So, if you're curious about trying out a rugged Android device, stay tuned as we explore what makes this phone unique, its features and how the camera performs, especially in low light conditions. DOOGEE sent me the V40 Pro model for free to test and review. The DOOGEE V40 Pro is a rugged device designed for durability with its IP68 and IP69K waterproof ratings, and it's shock resistant too. This means it's built to survive drops, dust and even water splashes, perfect for those who need a phone that can handle a tougher environment. The phone comes with a 6.78-inch front display with 2.4K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for those who like playing games on their phone. It also features a small 1.47-inch multifunctional rear display, perfect for displaying the time, messages, battery level and much more. The V40 Pro is powered by a 4nm MediaTek 8-core processor, a first in a rugged phone. This gives the phone enough performance for all your demanding tasks while keeping the power consumption at a minimum. That said, I was amazed how long the battery lasted. The included 8680 mAh battery can power the phone for several days. Now, that is something if you like to be in the outdoors like me. And to top it off, you can use the phone to charge other USB devices. The V40 Pro comes standard with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, plenty for most of your creative needs. For me as a creator, the cameras are the most important part of any phone that I consider. The V40 Pro sports one 32MP front camera and 4 rear cameras. A 200MP main camera, a 8MP long focus and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. And for me as a first, a 20MP night vision camera. Naturally, I wanted to test out the low-light capabilities of the new DOOGEE V40 Pro. I took it out for a real-world test during a Halloween event in a nearby garden to see how it holds up in low-light conditions. All the following shots are shot with the main camera in the Pro video mode, so I was able to adjust the camera settings manually. As the phone has a night vision camera, I couldn't refrain myself from testing it out. As with any night vision device, the phone features an infrared lamp and the image turns black and white. Amazing! Now you can capture important moments even in complete darkness, like me walking outside in the garden. Let's break down some pros and cons of this phone. The battery life is fantastic. If you're outdoors a lot or just need a device that will last a couple of days, this phone has you covered. Its durability is no joke. Whether you're hiking, camping or just need a tough phone, this one can handle quite a bit. The night vision feature is quite unique and generally useful for no light environments. For all the features it offers, the price point is very reasonable. Due to its amazing battery life and ruggedness, this is not a lightweight phone. But for me, a trade-off I'm okay with. The built-in electronic video stabilization is disabled when shooting in 4K. I stabilized the Halloween footage you saw before in post-production. I wish you could choose your video frame rate in the camera settings. I especially like to shoot at 24 frames per second. So what is my final take on the DOOGEE V40 Pro? If you're someone who needs a reliable rugged phone that can withstand the elements and last for days on a charge, this could be a great fit for you. The low light camera capabilities surprised me, especially with the added night vision. While it's not without its quirks, like the bulkiness, it's a solid choice if you're looking for a different kind of Android experience. For my first time really exploring an Android phone, I'd say this phone has left a positive impression. The V40 Pro phone is for those that dare to play. Check out this video next to learn more about cool gadgets and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.